Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the airbag module, airbag light, fuses, relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix, we'll talk about that. Oh, by the way guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Don't even pull an airbag fuse out. Do not check it if you're not qualified and certified. In order to work on airbag systems, even checking fuses, you have to be qualified and certified to do that. Otherwise you can cause the airbag system to malfunction, which can cause injuries or death, guys. Now another thing, quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before working on it, even checking a fuse, and make sure you know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise you can burn modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. If you guys need to buy the replacement parts and tools, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll share them for your convenience, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Airbag module, airbag light, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee here. Now, depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes. What we guys first need to do, open the hood. We'll cover both today. Once you open the hood facing the engine, once you open the hood facing the engine, on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. You'll find a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2011 to year 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So let's start on it now, guys. We'll demonstrate about 2011 to 2013 year model first. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Guys, the fuses that we need to check are known as M16 and M32. And you wonder where these fuses are located, guys. Well, check this thing out. Under that special cover, that's why it's special, because you're not supposed to check these fuses. Okay, take it only to certified technician. Those are the two fuses right here. If you have 2014 to 2022, the fuses that we need to check are known as fuse number 85 and 86. And we're talking about these two 10 amp fuses right here. You don't have relays. The relay function is controlled by the airbag control module. So you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses for the airbag system, most likely on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.